Alrighty, so travel day, and Andy gets excited. So he knows what's up. As soon as you start packing up the RV, he knows what's up. So check it out. Andy, come on, come on. Watch her. Like, he knows exactly like what time it is. Right in the truck, and he doesn't want to be left.
Our last video was in New Jersey.
Our last video was in New Jersey.
And that was in September, and it's January 23.
Yeah.
So, and now we're in Arizona.
We've been busy. You know, September, like last race, right?
Yeah, your lane is gonna end.
And then we did the last race, and kind of went back to North Carolina for the holidays, and my son came home for leave, and everybody was together except Momo. She's in England still.
Yeah.
And you know, so we had most of the family together for the holidays, and then obviously the new year hit, and on the road again. And we made our way from North Carolina all the way to Arizona right now. And
today is January 30th.
We're on our way to Vegas.
Yeah.
Where we're gonna hang out for
3 weeks.
3 weeks or so. But
which will be nice. Although we did just spend 2 weeks in Arizona, so that was also nice.
yeah.
To kind of plant your flag for a little bit.
We had a couple of stops along the way. We stopped in Tennessee, and we stopped in Texas.
Yeah.
And then we stopped in Arizona, and kind of just been taking it a leisurely tour across the Southwest is the plan.
Yeah.
We'll see how
Do you want to add anything to that?
how well we do leisurely wise. Right.
Do you want to mention our final destination or not yet?
I mean, we can. We're on the way. We're casually making our way to Central Oregon. We're gonna be MSS in Bend, Oregon for probably 18 months or so.
Yeah.
So
Temporarily, permanently located in Bend, Oregon. So, fun fact about Bend, Oregon, gets like 12 inches of rain a year and 33 inches of snow.
Yeah.
So that should be fun. Travis has lived in Oregon before when he was little, but I've never lived anywhere where there's actual winter, not for real. And I was telling somebody the other day, I don't think I own a piece of clothing that would save my life in wintertime.
That's accurate.
So all my my beachy wear might be on hold for a little bit, but
in a box. It does get hot in the summer. People that have been there know. Like in the summers, it's pretty hot, and but in the winter it is no joke. So we're still contemplating whether we're gonna enjoy winter or whether we're gonna.
Well, I think
pull the snowbird card and fly south.
The thing is we intend to be there March 1st.
Yeah.
I'm still feeling like that's going to be pretty good winter there.
Right. Likely.
So I feel like we'll get to experience some snow, which might be initially fun.
Yes.
And also it's not wet like it is at home.
Correct.
So it will be a little bit different in that way too. And maybe Andrew will have a good time. He liked the snow the last time in Kentucky.
Yeah.
So,
He does like the snow. He gets the zooms in the snow, and he likes to zoom
he's
around.
finally laying down. Gets all freaked out. Travel days. But that's our step one of today.
Update.
Yeah, we're
We're
gonna
staying at
harvest
a really cool harvest host.
the Desert Diamond Distillery.
Yeah, in Arizona. It's called the Desert Diamond Distillery.
This might have like
and they had, from the photos, there are some like old school rail cars, like train cars they have that were like, you know, the lounge of the train where
Oh, okay.
they still have like tastings and stuff. So it's still set up like a
whiskey
like
flights.
it's on the track, you know, and
Scary.
so should be pretty cool.
But that's where we'll spend the night. Then we'll get up tomorrow and go to another harvest host. I forget exactly what it is, but it's kind of just south of Vegas. Not too long of a drive tomorrow. Only a couple hundred miles today. And then we'll be in Vegas 3 weeks. We have some friends there that we'll get to hang out with and do some fun stuff. So stay tuned.
Yep. On the road again. So we are at the Desert Diamond Distillery, Kingman, Arizona, and it's pretty cool. There's a bunch of like railroad cars out here. So she said, I think one of them is an Airbnb, maybe the caboose that's back there, and then a couple of these are like dining, kind of like a dining room. So we're gonna go in and have taste some of the spirits and see if we can explore some of these rail cars.